In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to wear a winter scarf so you still look trendy and hip and fashionable. Check it out. Hey babies! So, today's video is going to be about wearing scarves. I decided to make this video because I'm originally from Holland. That's where I was born and raised. I think that growing up in Holland, you're so used to wearing a scarf, you don't even think about it. It's like second nature because we have all the seasons. We got the rain in fall, we got the snow in winter and all that. So fast forward to today, now that I live in California, I find that most people don't even wear jackets. Most of the time, people don't wear jackets and they wear flip-flops as footwear, which is new. Well, when I first got here, that was like really strange to me, because where I'm from, most of the time people cover up their toes because it's so freezing cold or raining or anyway, you guys get the point. So I do find that in fall and winter, it gets freezing cold in California. And, out come the jackets and all the, warm stuff, including scarves. And coming from a country where scarves are second nature, I figured it'd be really cool to do a video to show you guys different ways you can wear a scarf and still look really stylish and really nice and make your whole outfit just come together just with a simple scarf. So, it's like the finishing touch that you wouldn't expect. So I'm going to show you guys different ways. I hope you guys like this video. If you're not familiar with my channel, my name is Kim. I normally make videos on BFF, beauty, fashion, and fitness. And I think this is officially going to be my first fashion video, believe it or not. I did a lot of blogging about fashion and all that stuff and on my Instagram and all that stuff, but I don't think I actually made a video. So I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys love the video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you do. And let's get started. The first three looks are super simple, starting with this one where you just hang the scarf from your neck and swing one end over your shoulder. There you go. That's it. It's as easy as that. Looking stylish doesn't have to be difficult or complicated. I should also say that all of the scarves that I'm wearing in this video are my own, and you could really use any type of scarf for these looks. The second super easy look is just where you drape the scarf all the way around your neck, like as I show here. And all you really have to make sure of is that the ends in the front are even, and that's about it. And kind of adjust the scarf a little bit so it's easy and comfortable around your neck, because if something is uncomfortable, number one, you will not feel good in it, and number two, it will show. So just adjust the scarf to your liking so it's comfortable and it'll show. The third super easy look might just be the easiest one of them all, because all you do, you just hang the scarf from your neck, tie a knot in it, and that's it. And you will notice it instantly adds a little bit of style to your look. And you can wear this with anything really, whether you're wearing comfy jeans, whether you're wearing sweatpants. This look will always work with anything that you wear. For this next look, you're going to take a scarf and you're going to fold it in half and put your hand through the loop that you create, like how I do here. Then you're going to take the ends of the scarf and pull them through that loop, like this. And this is also known as a typical look that men use when they tie their scarves. But whatever men can do, us girls can do too. So here we go. And just kind of adjust the ends so they're even and so it all looks nice. And I have to say, from all the looks that I'm showing in this video, this is my favorite one, just because it looks so adorably cute no matter what scarf you use. And it's also quite warm. This look is a variation of the previous look. And again, you're gonna fold the scarf in half and loop your hand through it like this. You're gonna place the scarf behind your neck, but this time, instead of grabbing both ends, you are just going to grab one of the ends. And you're gonna pull it through the loop. Now you're also gonna grab the other end, but this time you're gonna grab it from the top. So you enter the loop from the top and you grab the other end. And what this does, it creates a nice knotted effect in the scarf that really makes you look like a scarf tying professional. Your friends are bound to ask you, how did you do that? That looks so stylish. And there it is. Super simple and super cute. This next look is ideally done with a big scarf, like a blanket scarf would be fine. You fold the scarf in half and then you tie the ends together. And it's almost like you're creating a loop from the scarf. And after you do this, you put the part of the scarf that has the knots in it behind your neck. That's not the look, wait for it. Then you're gonna take the scarf and you're gonna twist it one time, and then you stick your head through that second loop that emerged. And there you go. Then you just kind of drape it around your neck and kind of adjust it so it's comfortable and pretty and stylish. And this is like a really, really warm look that's perfect for the colder days. And if you want to add some variety, you can even take one of the layers from the loop and put it around your head to create this mysterious kind of look that also adds extra warmth to your ears and your head. The final look in my video is another super stylish one. You put the scarf behind your neck, keeping one end a little bit longer than the other. And then you take one of the ends and you just wind it around the part that's around your neck, like how I do here. And you hide the ends. And then you end up with this stylish look where you just have one end of the scarf hanging over your body, and it looks super stylish, super feminine, like you know what you're doing. And guys, this concludes my video for today. I hope you guys loved it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again next week in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.